Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make the plug to the induction hub Electrolux. Let's check the plug. In this appliance we have 4 wires. The green and the yellow one is a ground wire and it's going to the middle socket. If you don't have the ground wire in your home installation, you can just skip it and isolate it. On the right side we have the blue neutral. On the left side together we have the brown and the black one. If you switch the sides there is not gonna be a problem. Remember, never combine the blue with the brown or the black one. The blue is always single and the brown and the black it's together because this is phase wires. So just give me a second to close the plug and we're gonna check how it works. Okay, the plug is ready. We can try to connect it. As you can see, it's worked perfect and this is how we can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.